Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can rotate images you add to your boards and presentations on Miro. So let us dive into this, guys. So as you can see, I added an image here to this presentation just for the sake of this tutorial. If you don't know how to upload images and photos to your presentation, guys, you can do this by accessing the upload tool here and these customization tools to the left. If you don't see it here in the sidebar, you may add it to your sidebar by heading over to this section here, Tools, Media and Integrations, and simply use the search bar, type in Uploads, and select the Upload feature, for example, from Google Drive. And after that, simply click into that button, select the source, in this case here, for example, your device, and upload the image. So guys, as you can see, I added this image, so I can now customize it. If you'd like to rotate it, guys, you will see that handle in the bottom left corner of the given image. Left click into it, hold it, and after that, simply rotate it, just like that. And that's it. That's how you rotate images in Miro. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.